For every pasta shape, there is a sauce, and Adam Swanson is going to show us the best sauce to go with tubular spaghetti.
Yeah, Jazz. So today with tubular spaghetti, we're going to be making beautiful creamy sausage and broccolini pasta.
Sounds delightful.
But you're right in what you're saying, Jazz. There are obviously certain shapes that work well with certain sauces, yeah? So long pasta, creamy, works well. Ragouts as well, yeah, really nice. Short are good for bakes, yeah? So putting in the oven.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah, okay, so let's get our pasta onto the go. Some oil into the pan.
Yep.
You want to pop that open for me? Come on, muscles. You can do it.
All right, we'll do a little Adam Swanson here. See, it doesn't work when I do it. What I like to do is just grab a knife.
Oh, very elegant, Jazz.
And do that for you.
Pasta's going to take around 10 minutes to cook.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just open it up a little bit more, Jazz.
And because it's a bit of a thicker style pasta, it takes a little longer, doesn't it?
Yeah, and the main thing, look, any long pasta, yeah, into your boiling water and just give it a little stir, yeah? Just making sure that it starts to cook nice and evenly.
Right. And you've salted that water?
Oh, of course I've salted it, Jazz.
Of course, very important.
I'll get you on to chopping up some broccolini for me, just like 1/2 centimetre pieces.
And we're using all the stalks too?
Everything. So this is really a traditional sausage pasta where we'd use rapini, yeah? So the wild broccoli, yeah, from Italy. So this is the version. In with sausage here. So all this is, Jazz, is some pork sausage with the casing off.
Yes.
Straight into the pan, nice and hot.
Okay.
All right, that's going to take a couple of minutes. I might get you to quickly just chop up that garlic for me.
Sounds good. So
Thank
3
you.
cloves of garlic.
Yeah, so look, I'm doing it a little bit different, I guess, in process, Jazz, because normally you'd have your butter and garlic in the pan if I was making a normal standard sauce, the base.
Yeah.
But I don't want to add it too early. Reason being, I don't want to caramelise or get too much colour on my garlic and get that burnt flavour through. So I'll be adding after the sausage is all nice rendered and got the colour on it.
So how finely chopped
That's
do you
perfect.
want this? That's good?
Yeah, I like the rustic, I like my cooking style, Jazz, is all about just rustic, you know?
Rustic.
Getting the flavours in there, doing the right processes. I think when you're cooking pasta, it's all about the processes.
Yeah.
Salted water, giving it a stir, so your pasta cooks nice and evenly. Having the right heat to seal off the sausage and just doing the steps. So we need this to get some colour on it, take a couple minutes.
Yeah.
And then we'll add in our garlic and broccoli.
Sounds good.
Okay, Jazz, our garlic, broccolini into the pan, nice cooking away. We need to deglaze the pan with some chicken stock.
Okay, a little chicken stock.
So basically what I'm doing is taking all that wonderful flavour of the fat from the sausage in the pan and just lifting it off the base. Just a little bit, like that, just a sprinkle. So no need for white wine or anything like that. I think sometimes when you're adding white wine to cream sauces, it comes too acidic, too sharp.
Okay.
I want this nice and rich and full of flavour from the sausage and the cream and the cheese. So that's done. Butter.
Yes.
A little bit different, hey?
I love the butter.
You like that? Enough? And time for the cream.
Okay. Bit of thickened cream.
So about a cup's worth. Because what we're going to do, remember, the last 2 minutes of our cooking process of the pasta, we're going to add it into the pan, allow it to help thicken up the sauce and obviously take on all the flavour.
And because it's a tubular pasta, all of that sauce is just going to go inside. Very nice.
Very nice. Okay. So we need to bring our sauce up to the boil.
Yep.
We're going to add some pecorino as well. So pecorino is a sheep's milk cheese, which is quite sharp,
Yes.
So we're going to add in the pecorino, obviously to thicken that up. But also add our salt element.
Yeah, and the sausages are salty too.
Yeah, definitely.
Very good.
All right, Jazz, our sauce has come up to the boil. Now, to know that it's ready, you basically get your spoon and it's coating. The sauce is just coating the back of the spoon. Yeah. You can put your finger through. That is where we want it to be.
Yep.
Grab our tubular spaghetti. Okay, look at that. Look at that.
Fantastic.
Yeah, nice.
So when you're doing a big portion like this is probably going to serve 4 people.
Oh, definitely.
Big pan makes a difference.
Yep.
Coat everything in that.
And just that last little flick. Okay.
I always just like to step away.
I see you run away
the
from me.
cream goes everywhere. But you always seem to make it stay in the pan.
I try. A bit of practice. A bit of practice. But the main thing here, Jazz, look, the sauce is just coating the pasta, That's what you're looking for. You don't want it flooding, swimming in it. You want to taste that beautiful Australian durum wheat. Look at that. Oh, and she's onto it already. I don't need to say anything. You're on top of the parsley. I love that.
Onto it. Did you want that in there?
Yes, please. Yeah, straight in.
Straight in. Roughly chopped. Hope that's okay.
The way I like it.
Okay.
Just look at that. Look how the sauce clings to the tubular spaghetti.
It is certainly clinging. Wow, that's a big portion.
Well, I'm hungry, you know?
Yes, it's my kind. I like a big bowl of pasta.
I don't think ever in my family history have I been served a little bowl of pasta. It's always been way too much, and that's the beautiful thing.
Yeah.
Eat it all or eat it later.
Yep.
Pasta's a winner.
Oh, that is a fantastic way to show off really inexpensive ingredients for a show-stopping pasta. Love it.
Thanks.